Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power is stable, because interrupted updates cause corruption. Once plugged in, open Settings and go straight to Update and Security. Click Check for updates to fetch Microsoft patches. You do this first because OS updates can change drivers and firmware dependencies. While Windows scans, open Lenovo Vantage or System Update in parallel. That ensures you'll catch vendor-specific firmware and driver packages, which Windows Update may not provide. Now you switch to Lenovo tools to get OEM drivers and BIOS updates. Accept any admin prompts so the tool can write system files. Select BIOS and firmware first because they often require reboots and can affect later driver installs. Then queue network, chipset, and graphics drivers. You install sequentially to avoid conflicts and make sure to reboot after firmware updates. If a driver offers optional features, install only what you need to minimize risk. Finish by running Windows Update and Lenovo Vantage again, because some updates appear only after reboots. Make sure both report no remaining items. You then verify in Device Manager that there are no unknown devices and confirm the BIOS version matches the vendor notes. If something goes wrong, boot into safe mode to uninstall the latest driver or use System Restore to revert. This is the fastest way to recover. Keep a restore point next time to reduce downtime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.